This is ready. Fast cheyi koncham. Today I am going to make a simple breakfast recipe, and this is with corn. We are getting lot of corn. This is also called as makkabuta in Telugu. In Hindi, makai. To make this garalu, this is called makka garalu. And this excellent combination is not a chutney, it's a sweet. Is made with sago. And see the corn, it should be slightly hard. See, like this. If it is too soft, then when you grind this, it will be full of milk like water. So we don't want that soft corn, we want little bit hard corn to make this garalu. So we are going to put this in a blender. I have removed all the corn from the cob. So here is the corn. Put it in a blender. For flavoring, we are going to add some green chilies, some ginger, some cumin, and also curry leaf. Little bit of salt and some coriander. So this we are going to grind little bit coarse. Fast cheyi koncham. Here is the grounded mixture of corn. See, if you use the tender one, then you don't get this kind of consistency. So we need this kind of consistency to make our garalu. We are going to keep this aside and we are going to make this sweet. And while grinding, I have not used a single drop of water. See? So to make the sweet, here is a sago. What I did is I soaked the sago for 1 hour. For soaking, what you need to do is take the sago in a cup and just cover the sago little bit, that's all. Don't add too much of water. Here I have taken some boiling water. So in this I am going to add this soaked sago. If you have soaked, then 10 minutes to cook. And now you can see this is slightly transparent. We are going to add sugar into this. Once it is cooked, then only you need to add the sugar, otherwise it won't cook further. In this we are not going to add any ghee, so just the full fat milk. Once the sugar is slightly melted, we are going to add this milk. Actually this is my childhood recipe which I used to enjoy in my aunt's house. Cardamom powder. Dear friends, this is a special Rakhi dish. Rakhi is our festival. So just make it little bit different. Here you can see this is done. We are going to add pinch of salt in the sweet and also the boiled milk. And here is the cashew nuts which I roasted slightly. This for my husband because he likes cashew nuts, little bit extra. And we are going to just simmer for 2-3 minutes and this is done. Just check the sweet. So for checking the sweet, I am going to give it to him because he is working hard for me. So here is our corn mixture. If you want, you can add little bit of onions to give that slight taste of onions, and we are going to use the hand. Just mix it. Check the salt. I can add little bit of salt. This should be little bit spicy. When you eat with the sweet, it will taste excellent. So slightly spicy. Or you can have like this also. And we are going to make a small ball. Just take a polythene cover. Not too thick, not too thin, medium. And drop it in the oil. Your oil should be medium hot. One more. See the batter consistency? It's nice and perfect. This way it won't absorb too much of oil. We need to fry them till we get a nice golden color like this. Isn't it nice? And this tastes really, really good. Rainy season, you need to try this. Crunchy, inside little bit of softness. For this festival, Vahchef goes hiding. Everybody wants to tie Rakhi to him. He goes hiding for this festival and I get to celebrate this. So here is our nice makka garalu which are ready. You can see them. I made couple of them. I'm going to have this. Just dip it full dip it, soak it, and sweetness, hotness, crunchy. This is great. I'm enjoying this alone. But when you eat the best of the best food, you need to say ding chick, ding chick, ding chick, ding chick.